Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele.
Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Addison?
Cookie. Deer. And earring.
Our adventure awaits. Mix and mash, and away in a flash.
Woohoo!
We're in a holiday cookie factory. Oh, icing! Oh, and sprinkles!
Oh no. Ah! It thinks we're cookies.
This is our stop.
I'll just take a cookie for later.
Hey, that cookie is as beautiful as your earring, Addison.
Thanks. They're my favorite. Oh no. I lost one of my earrings.
Maybe it's still on the conveyor belt. Where does it lead?
It's going outside.
Lead the way.
Oh dear.
Oh, dear, indeed. It's not just a cookie factory. It's a deer-feeding snack machine. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Oh no. That poor deer didn't get a cookie.
Aw. I wonder what happened to it.
Uh-oh. I think I know.
That's one determined deer. Come on.
Good thing this cookie dough broke our fall.
We look like snowmen. Or should I say, dough men.
I'm stuck.
So am I. We're free.
Thank you so much. I think this is yours. My earring!
I knew it would turn up.
Aw.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.